Hello to all of my online car shoppers out there. Hopefully your car shopping experience has been a great one so far. This is Car Guru Corey Way right here at Bellamy Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight an immaculate pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Suburban LT with the luxury package. I repeat, with the luxury package. So you got a few upgrades on the luxury package that normally don't come on a 1LT. Quicksilver, titanium gray leather interior. This one here has around 25,000 miles. Hopefully she'll put an end to your shopping. Fog lamps down at the bottom, to the left and to the right. 5.3 V8. Good tread on those tires. Alloy wheels look good. Driver's side looks fabulous. Real clean leather interior. No rips, no tears in the leather, no smoke smell. 28,869 miles. Push button start, navigation. Android Auto Apple Play. Heated seats, power liftgate. Sunroof. Real clean floorboard. Dual rear entertainment. This does have the tow package. You can tow about 6,000 pounds on a two-wheel drive. Passenger, driver side is immaculate, inside and out. 2020 Chevrolet Suburban LT with the luxury package, silver, titanium gray leather interior, around 25,000 miles. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll put an end to your shopping.